The concept of free is quite intriguing. How can something be worth absolutely nothing? But we see it everywhere: free shipping, buy one item, get one free, or even free gifts with your purchase. It seems harmless, but free things can actually cost us a lot. Its irresistible force can lead us to make really bad decisions. So let's find out how. Before digging further, we have to first ask ourselves why free things are so attractive, and the answer is quite simple. Humans are naturally loss averse. This means we hate losing money more than we enjoy gaining money. We also have an area of our brain called the insula. This area generates negative feelings when we spend money. It literally punishes us for spending. That's why sometimes spending money can be quite painful. The purpose of loss aversion and our insula is to protect us from making bad financial decisions. It stops us from wasting all of our money and from buying things we don't really need. Free items get rid of loss aversion and the activity of our insula, because if an item is free, that means there's nothing we could possibly lose, and so our insula and loss aversion have nothing to worry about. This idea of there being no risk of losing money makes free items really attractive to our brain. But that doesn't mean free items can't be dangerous, and to consider whether they can be dangerous, let's look at two questions. The first question is, do free items lead us to spend more money? And the second question is, do free items lead us to ignore better deals? For the first question, the best example is Amazon. Quite a few years ago, they began offering free shipping in Europe for orders over a certain amount, which led to a huge increase in their sales. People were spending more money to get free shipping. Except for one country, which was France, where instead of offering free shipping, they were offering it for just £1, which is as good as free shipping. In this country, they didn't see the same surge in sales as they did in other countries, so they made the decision to change the offer from £1 to £0 for shipping, and all of a sudden they saw the same increase in sales as all the other countries had. This is of course totally irrational. People who only planned on spending £10 were now spending £30 just to get free shipping. Spending an extra £20 to only save £3-4 on shipping is not a great deal. This effect was even greater in France, where people who weren't willing to spend money on additional items to get shipping for just £1 were more than happy to spend money on additional items to get shipping for £0. For an additional saving of only £1, it made no sense for consumers to all of a sudden be willing to spend so much extra money. But this is what happens when the concept of free comes into the equation. Our defense mechanisms like loss aversion and our insula, which normally protect us from wasting money, are bypassed because they think they have nothing to worry about. As a result, we can get tricked into spending more money just to get something else for free. Now for the second question, do free items lead us to ignore better deals? Professor Dan Ariely conducted a simple experiment to find out. He offered people the choice between having a $10 Amazon gift card for free or having a $20 Amazon gift card for $7. The majority of people chose the free $10 gift card. But this is mathematically a bad choice. With this gift card, they made a profit of only $10, which is the difference between $10 and $0. But if they had taken the $20 gift card, they would have made a profit of $13, which is the difference between $20 and $7. Therefore, paying $7 for the $20 gift card was the more profitable option. This shows us that the concept of free also distorts our ability to do basic maths, and so we might miss out on much better deals simply because we're so attracted to anything that's free. So where does this leave us? Are free things just a ploy or a marketing trick that we should avoid at all costs? Not really. There's nothing wrong with free things fundamentally, but we need to be careful about the potential consequences it can have on our decision making. So if you ever see something for free, you should ask yourself a few basic questions. If the free item is only available when you purchase something else, do you actually need that other item? Will the free item likely lead to a purchase in the future? Or is there a better alternative deal that you're ignoring? If the answer to any of those questions is yes, then you should probably spend some time thinking through that decision, because the free item might end up costing you quite a lot. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and check out my other videos.